Hey, what is up, guys? Silent Chad here, and today I am with my brother, and we are opening up Temple Forces, the futuristic box. He is.
Turn a turbo robot.
Yeah, I was gonna say these are the promos, and then it came out as he's are the promo.
Oh dear.
There's the dice and the sleeves. We have opened the primal form box last time, and
The Crashing Wake promo.
yep, with the Crashing Wake promo, and his box was pretty good. Mine was okay. So if you guys didn't watch that video, go check it out. Be in the link below. And he is starting off with a reverse hollow Grotto into Metal Hollow.
Ew.
Still looking. He's probably looking for a Wug Trio card if we could get one. I mean, would be kind of a funny, goofy card to have. Other than that, I am looking for the Full Art Trainer yet. Also, we have Beldome, reverse, and to Grandpa. Centering is a little bit off on that one. Not bad, not a misprint.
Not off enough.
We also do like our misprint cards. I was gonna say sometimes you have to start lower and then work your way up. You just gotta find that sweet spot. Give me that sweet spot. We have Mawile. I don't even think we had that card in the common slot. At least I did. Totodile,
Yes.
Rapidash, and
What? Oh my
Torterra
God.
EX. Look at that. He got Turtwig reverse last time. He got the Grotile, yeah, art card. Torterra EX this time. Did you get a Torterra last time?
No.
No? Well, then I guess I was wrong last time. I got another regular rare Sharpedo. We are looking for a reverse, if there is one, of him too. Oh, that was my reverse. I couldn't see it. The card was too dark. Sometimes those really dark reverse hollows, you can't really even tell that there's any shine to them. Yes, Yamper, Grubbin, Metacham, Boost, Iron Hands, Shumish, Solosis into Whimsicott. We forgot to say in the last video that they have our nemesis, Snowman, in this set as a pull.
Nobody likes him.
Nobody likes Snow. Oh my god. Carvana, Ekans, Fortress, Vikavolt, Ledius, Golett, Mr. Mime, to Rockfish again. I didn't know I said it a few times last video, but I do like the hollows in this set. They do look nice. We have Turtonator, Hoot Hoot, Beldum, Voltund, Explorer's Guide, Dunsparce, Chatot, into Iron, the Iron Thorn, I think that's it, right?
No.
Just gotta tell you, weird angle to try to read it sometimes. You have Panko, Mawile, Roserade, Keldeo, Iron Thorns, Golork, into Feraligatr. Have you guys been opening up any cards lately? If so, what pulls are you getting? Or maybe you're excited for the upcoming set, Surging Spark. Be pretty nice. Have you guys been getting anything out of the Stellar Crown set? I don't know why I looked back at over my right shoulder like Stellar Crown was going to be behind me, but it wasn't. Ledius, Roaring Moon. Once we go through our surplus of bulk and catch up a little bit more, I can take suggestions on what to open next. But right now, I've just too much stuff. Oh, there's a Wiglet. First time seeing him. Arbok, Great Tusk, Bronzong, the Energy, a Robot Pod, Matang, two Iron Thorns. Seems like I am the king of pulling those Prism cards or whatever they're called. I don't think they're called Prism cards, but
There was a sun and moon.
yeah.
Oh dear.
I know they had Prism cards before and they were different, but I can't remember what those are called. Shiny purple card, we'll call it, or pink card. You have a normal energy, Turtonator, Hoothoot, Beldum, Heatmore, the Anchorman, Electivire, oh, Snom, Anchorman, Gengar EX. You want Gengar?
No.
No? What the heck? You know what we do to Snom on this channel?
Going in the grinder.
You're going in the grinder. We have Ghastly. Yeah, Fortress. Brain cannot keep up. We have Noctowl. Meryl. For Alligator. And we give him the... oh my god. What? What are you gonna say? That I shouldn't have Snom on camera?
You had to get mean.
Oh. We have Basic Energy, Seedot, Totodile, Nairling, bit of Iron Treads, Buddy Pokemon, Turtonator Reverse, Chatot, Art, Dunsparce, Hollow. That is the Chatot card that they're all in line to make some kind of musical note, but I don't remember which one either.
No. I don't know.
I don't know. I ain't musically inclined. You got Chatterbug. There is your code card. You have a Energy, Roly-Coly, Azumarill, Yamper, Rubbin, Sableye, Great Tusk, Morty, Nuzleaf, Multane, Melmetal. Don't think we're getting as many pulls this time, but that's okay.
That's because they have to be bigger ones here.
Yeah, I still got 3 packs, so I mean, I guess we have quite opportunity yet. We could pull just... There he is! There he is! We have Scyther, Golurk, Shaman, Golett, Centiskorch, do Raging Bolt, a Water Energy, Pineco, Mawile, Meditite, Turtonator, Sharpedo, Regular, Metagross, Roserade, Girafarig, Sawsbuck, and Tumbleweed. So is that like supposed to be his eyeball?
No.
Oh, it is. He's got it like a face there. Guess I've never really looked at that card or that Pokemon at all.
Isn't it your favorite though?
No. I'll be 100% honest. Other than when we opened up cards, I didn't even know that was a thing. Unboxed. There he is. He's got a drum. In Paw. Box code. Fire Energy. Charizard. Medicham. Tranquil. Mishmine. Raichu. Shiftry. Bianca. Pineco. Bronzor. Into the giraffe. We have such a pile of cards over here. I am on my last pack, and I think that is his last pack. Totodile. We have Sawsbuck. We have Jungle Cage. Oh, another art rare. It is picking up here towards the end. The only thing that could make this video go any better is if I would get Bianca. But the odds of that are probably very slim, let's be real. You have Fighting Energy, Hoot Hoot. You have Beldum, Brill, Roly-Coly, Keldeo, Anchorman, Tranquil, Mightyena, into Corydon Hollow as our last guy. If you guys enjoyed the video, remember to hit that like, comment, and subscribe. Remember, if I hit 10k subs, I will send one of my Pokemon cards in. We will figure out which one in to get graded, and then I will show it in either a video, or if the channel would grow kind of faster, I could save them and make it one video, but it would be up to you guys. Other than that, until the next one, peace.
Next time.
Next time. Oh no, not happening.